Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video we have just a little bit of everything. We are starting off with me putting groceries away. We had previously went out to Walmart and grabbed a few groceries and just a couple other things that we needed around the house. This day our kids did come back, so you will be seeing them throughout this video. Also, we have got more of their school supplies, so you will be seeing me put that away and just kind of cleaning up around the house, just getting ready to be back in the routine of having kids again.
Cause you know we got it, chemistry. I get all around me. I get chemistry. I get you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. You make all my problems feel miles away. Nothing in this world made sense up till today. I can see the colors now, no black and white. If you keep this up, then I'll stay the night. Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me.
So for our son, I am organizing his stuff more so of like the different categories and different subjects that he's going to be doing, and just having them out into the room, so it'd be easier for him to go and pick out what he needs for school that day or that moment or whatever. Also, it'll be easier for me just in case he needs help to find an item or something. But like as the pens and pencils, crayons, and paint, I will be putting that in my room just because I don't want him to just open that up and get it out and then my daughter is drawing all over the room. I really don't have time for that, so we are just going to avoid that altogether and just organize his stuff.
Chemistry surrounds me. Wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody. Cause you know we got it, chemistry. I get all around me. I get chemistry. I get you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone.
I put a blanket over top of his school supplies because I don't want my daughter to get into it and rip anything up. She's very good at ripping up books as a 5-year-old. She's just trying to rip everything up at this point. So I am just putting a blanket over it so that way if you can't see it, you don't want to mess with it, pretty much.
If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time.
And now I'm just going to organize my daughter's stuff. Pretty much, I'm just going to put it all in my windowsill, and you'll see that later. Just because I will be helping her throughout all the day with her school and everything. So I will be pulling out her stuff and helping her out. So it really doesn't need to be that organized because I already know where everything goes.
Time, let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so it can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settled in the world, like everything is new. Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down, but things are looking up. By surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
I got these things, I'm not really exactly sure, latex things, just to make sure that our carpet's not sliding around. That's the main reason why I haven't had it in our bathroom upstairs. So now that I have them, I'm just going to cut it into size, and that way I can get my bathroom back together.
But I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
So I had already fed my kids dinner, and they had already got their baths and showers and everything. So I just wanted to clean my bathroom, and just get it back together. So I did just spray everything down and waited a few minutes, and then I am going to come back and clean everything.
It's time that we put out the fire. With every breath I breathe you out, we just can't take it any higher. It's only fair we let each other go without. Though this is hard to admit, I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? While this love's getting wasted, even though we feel the same. Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it?
And because I feel like you haven't seen my children in a while, I am just going to show you guys them going and brushing their teeth. They work so well together when it comes to them brushing their teeth. Honestly, it's so cute. So yeah, I am just going to leave it there. I'm just wiping down the counter again after they got done brushing their teeth because somehow water got everywhere. It is what it is, children. But that is going to complete my video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you want to see more content from me, please turn on your notifications, and if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.